Yes.
Oh, nice. It has two wheels, red and blue, and this is the sugar. And let's open it. Open. Wow, it has red and blue wheels. Nice. Okay, are you ready, guys?
Yes.
What's this color? Red and blue. I think this. See, it has the volume, full energy, and light blue.